how do you record a cinematic video on the iPhone 14 Pro? So let me talk about it. If you're new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the cinematic mode is part of the camera app, and it is available for most of the newer iPhones, especially the Pro models, but obviously not every phone supports it, but the iPhone 14 Pro definitely does. In the latest iOS 26 version, the camera got a little bit of a redesign, so it might be a little hard to find because when you open it up, you only see the regular mode for video and the regular mode for photo. And in order to find the cinematic, just go to the video mode and swipe right on the thing selection below, and the cinematic section should be the first thing which appears. And then now from this point on, it's pretty simple. So of course the cinematic mode is different in that it kind of focuses on one subject only, and the background is soft and blurry, which resembles the film look which you can see in movies and stuff. So that's very cool and nice to look at. All that you really need to pay attention to is that the subject is properly in focus, because with the regular video mode, most of the video is in focus and it's all managed automatically, and in here you have to be more careful so the shot is looking nice and the way that you would want, right? And you want to make sure that the subject is clearly visible. But of course, it just behaves like every other cinematic mode on other iPhones, even on the 14 Pro. So if there is something specific, more questions you might have about this, let me know below. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to catch you later in the future videos too.